Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to speak English fluently and confidently. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to improve your skills, this journey can be incredibly rewarding. So, let's explore some practical strategies and tips to help you achieve fluency and confidence in your English speaking abilities. First, let's talk about the importance of practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become. It's essential to integrate speaking into your daily routine. Start small by practicing with yourself. This might feel a little strange at first, but talking to yourself in English can help you become more familiar with the language. Try narrating your day, describing what you see around you, or expressing your thoughts out loud. This technique helps you think in English and reduces the pressure when you speak to others. Additionally, consider setting aside specific times each day dedicated to speaking practice, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. Next, consider finding a language partner. Connecting with someone who is also learning English or a native speaker can be invaluable. You can practice conversations, exchange feedback, and even learn from each other's mistakes. There are many platforms available where you can find language exchange partners, such as Tandem or HelloTalk. These interactions not only improve your speaking skills but also give you insights into cultural nuances and expressions that books and apps might not teach you. If possible, try to meet in person, as face-to-face conversations can enhance your connection and understanding. When it comes to vocabulary, it's essential to expand it continually. Instead of just memorizing lists of words, try to learn new vocabulary in context. This means engaging with materials that interest you, such as books, podcasts, or videos. When you encounter new words, make a note of them and try to use them in sentences. You might also want to create a personalized vocabulary notebook or use digital tools like Anki for spaced repetition learning. This approach not only helps you remember the words better but also shows you how they fit into real conversations. Consider focusing on thematic vocabulary related to your interests or fields of study, which can make learning more relevant and engaging. Another effective method to improve fluency is shadowing. This technique involves listening to a speaker and repeating what they say as closely as possible. You can use TED Talks, movies, or YouTube videos for this practice. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This exercise can be particularly useful for mastering the natural flow of speech and improving your accent. It can also help you become more aware of common phrases and expressions, making your speech sound more natural. Try to select content that aligns with your interests, as this will keep you engaged and motivated. Listening is a crucial part of speaking. The more you listen, the better you'll understand how the language is used in various contexts. Surround yourself with English audio or music, podcasts, audiobooks, or whatever you enjoy. As you listen, pay attention to how speakers express their ideas, the vocabulary they use, and their tone. This exposure helps you internalize language patterns, which can then inform your own speaking style. If you have a favorite genre or topic, dive into that area. This not only keeps your learning enjoyable but also provides you with a rich context to draw from during conversations. Confidence plays a significant role in how fluently you speak. Many people feel nervous or self-conscious when speaking a foreign language, but remember that making mistakes is part of the learning process. Embrace those mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Every time you stumble, you gain valuable experience. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on communicating your ideas clearly. Over time, your confidence will build, and you'll find that speaking becomes easier and more enjoyable. A great way to boost your confidence is through positive self-talk. Remind yourself of your progress and accomplishments, no matter how small. To further boost your confidence, consider setting specific goals for your speaking practice. Rather than saying, "I want to speak English better," try to define measurable objectives. For example, aim to have a 5-minute conversation in English each day, or commit to speaking English for an hour every week. These goals can give you a clear focus and help you track your progress. Using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound can make your goals even more effective. Additionally, don't forget to work on your nonverbal communication. Body language, facial expressions, and gestures play a crucial role in how we communicate. Being aware of these elements can help you express yourself more effectively. Practice speaking in front of a mirror, observing your expressions and movements. This will not only enhance your confidence but also make your speech more engaging to others. Pay attention to your posture and eye contact as well. These elements can greatly influence how you are perceived during conversations. Joining conversation groups or classes can also be beneficial. Look for local language meetups or online classes where you can practice speaking with others. Websites like Meetup or platforms like Zoom often host groups focused on language practice. These settings provide a supportive environment where you can learn from each other and practice in a structured way. Plus, being part of a group can help motivate you to stay committed to your goals. The shared experiences and encouragement from fellow learners can create a sense of community, which is incredibly valuable. Another excellent resource is language learning apps that emphasize speaking. Many of these apps offer speaking exercises and interactive lessons. Some even use voice recognition technology to give you feedback on your pronunciation. Incorporating these tools into your routine can make practicing more enjoyable and effective. Explore apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone to find what works best for you. Remember to balance app-based learning with real-life practice, as both are crucial for fluency. As you continue on your journey to fluency, remember to immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surrounding yourself with English-speaking environments, whether through travel, online communities, or local events, can accelerate your learning. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more natural it will feel. Try watching English movies without subtitles or reading English books that challenge your current level. The key is to engage with materials that you enjoy, as this will keep you motivated to learn. Reflecting on your experiences is also vital. After conversations or practice sessions, take a moment to think about what went well and what you could improve. This reflection helps you identify patterns in your speaking and areas that need more attention. You might even consider keeping a journal to document your progress and insights. This can serve as a motivating reminder of how far you've come. Journaling can also be a space for you to write about your thoughts and experiences in English, allowing you to practice your writing skills alongside your speaking skills. If you find yourself struggling with certain topics or vocabulary, don't hesitate to research or ask for help. Whether through online forums, language communities, or even asking friends, seeking clarification is a sign of a proactive learner. This will not only expand your knowledge but also empower you to speak about a wider range of subjects confidently. Consider using platforms like Reddit or language-specific Facebook groups to connect with others who share your learning goals. Another aspect to consider is pronunciation. This can be one of the trickiest parts of speaking fluently. Take the time to practice difficult sounds and phrases that you find challenging. YouTube is filled with pronunciation tutorials that can guide you. Don't shy away from repeating these exercises until you feel comfortable. Consistent practice will help you articulate words clearly, which in turn boosts your confidence. Consider focusing on specific sounds that are commonly mispronounced by learners of English, as addressing these can significantly improve your overall clarity. Reading aloud is a fantastic practice for improving both fluency and pronunciation. Choose articles, books, or dialogues that interest you, and read them out loud. This activity helps you get used to the flow of the language and can also aid in building your vocabulary. You can record yourself to monitor your progress over time, allowing you to hear how much you've improved. Additionally, this practice can help you become more aware of sentence structure and the rhythm of English, which can enhance your speaking abilities. In addition to these methods, it's important to stay patient and kind to yourself. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories, whether it's successfully completing a conversation or using a new word correctly. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and hard work. Surround yourself with supportive friends or fellow learners who encourage you to keep going. Their positive reinforcement can make a significant difference in your motivation. Lastly, Always remember that speaking English is not just about the language itself but also about connecting with others. The ability to communicate opens doors to new friendships, experiences, and opportunities. Embrace the journey and the connections you make along the way. This perspective can motivate you to keep practicing and improving. Attend events, workshops, or social gatherings where you can interact with English speakers. This not only provides real-life practice but also enriches your understanding of different cultures and perspectives. To summarize, speaking English fluently and confidently is an achievable goal with the right strategies in place. Make practice a daily habit, seek out conversation partners, expand your vocabulary in context, and embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. Utilize resources like shadowing, listening, and language apps to enhance your skills. Remember to focus on your body language and join groups to immerse yourself further in the language. Reflect on your experiences, research challenging topics, and practice pronunciation and reading aloud regularly. Stay patient, celebrate your progress, and, most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips inspire you to take your English speaking skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's support each other in our language learning journeys, and I'll see you in the next video.